Dick, you know what I crave the most?
Saman.
Mga deep, meaningful conversations. You know, the kind that leaves you thinking long even after they're over.
Ano day? Small talk isn't enough?
I mean, okay naman ang small talks ba? Pero empty words, it just kills time. While deep conversations, it gives it meaning.
And why does this matter so much to you?
Because connection is everything. The right conversation can shift your perspective. It can spark something inside of you. Or maybe even it can change your life.
So, saman na tayo muna about it.
We can start by being that person. Ask deeper questions and also listen, like really listen.
What if they don't respond? Tama to na.
Then it isn't their time yet. But when it is, they'll go.